Hi origami friends, today we are going to be making an origami heart because it's Valentine's Day. So let's get to it. So you're going to have white side up and colored side, whichever color you have, paper down. And we're going to start with the diagonal folds. So corner to corner. And then unfold, do it to the other side. Then unfold, and we're going to fold this corner down to the center point. After that, we're going to fold this corner to the top of this point. And then after that, we're going to fold this side to this line. And then do it to the other side. After that, we're going to fold, turn it over, and we are going to fold a little bit inside. And just for reference, you can use this corner to make a square. So make that a corner instead of going more. Just make that a corner and do it to the other side. Then flip it back over, see how your heart is going to look, and you decide how you're going to fold the tips down so it actually looks like a heart. So you're going to fold this tip down as much as it should look like a heart. So I would say that I would fold this down to this ledge and do it to the other side. That's it. You have yourself the origami heart. So this is the end of the video, and I hope you guys enjoyed making the origami heart.